Instantiating objects. There are two kinds of variables in Java. Variables that represent and store primitive data types like int, double, and boolean, and variables that store object references for objects instantiated from class data types. Instantiation is the act of creating an object for use in a program. An instance is a specific realization of an object. The class contains a blueprint for the object, but memory is not allocated and the object is not actually created until a call to that class's constructor is initiated. An object is created by invoking a class constructor. A constructor is a special method of a class that initializes an object of that type. Constructors have the same name as the class name. This is an example of instantiating a bicycle object. Bicycle, street bike, equal new bicycle, empty parentheses. A class behaves like a data type in that it defines what kind of object it is and how it behaves. Bicycle indicates the class name and street bike is the identifier name of the object. The object, street bike, behaves like a variable. The new statement allocates the space in memory and assigns the memory address. The bicycle empty parentheses statement calls the constructor for the bicycle class. When a new object is instantiated, information may be needed to establish the initial state of the object. A parameter is a value that is passed to the constructor to provide the data for the object's initial state. Bicycle, street bike, equal new bicycle, empty parentheses, uses the default constructor that takes no parameters, as indicated by the empty parentheses. Bicycle, mountain bike, equal new bicycle, parentheses, 12, 17, disk, close parenthesis, uses a parameter constructor that takes two integers and one string as parameters. A single class may have multiple constructors as shown here. To recap instantiating objects. Instantiation is the act of creating an object for use in a program. An instance is a specific realization of an object. An object is created by invoking a class constructor. A constructor is a special method of a class that initializes an object of that type. A single class may have multiple constructors.